Our partnership with Alibaba is central to the intelligence layer we built for the Olympic Games Milano Cortina 2026. Alibaba brings world-class cloud infrastructure, strong engineering capability, and deep experience supporting previous games. Together, we are building on the foundation introduced at the Olympic Games Paris 2024 and integrating them into a unified Olympic AI ecosystem. The Olympic Chat Assistance is available on IOC global website olympics.com. It offers a multilingual conversational support, real-time event updates, and instant article summaries. It enables fans to explore verified Olympic Games information through an intuitive chat-based experience. The development of Olympic AI is the result of a close collaboration with Alibaba. Alibaba's Qwen AI model was a powerful and flexible foundation model that we use to tailor to the needs of NOCs, organizing committee, and the internal IOCs teams. Alibaba's secure AI infrastructure engineering support and optimization capability allow us to deliver reliable, high-performance AI services at scale. These partnerships enable us to innovate faster and ensure that the Olympic AI is robust and aligned with the Olympics' value. The Olympic Games Paris 2024 demonstrated the value of early AI tools, such as smart tagging and image recognition. We are now expanding this significantly with Alibaba. Sports AI introduces advanced similarity search, richer metadata automation, and conversational interfaces across more archival material. This creates a powerful, fully integrated system that enhances how broadcasters, storytellers, and internal teams use Olympic content. Alibaba's AI capability helps streamline repetitive tasks, improve accuracies, and reduce time spent searching for information. These tools enhance decision-making and allow staff to focus on higher value activities during games times operation. We see this as a long-term collaboration focused on building a unified Olympic AI ecosystem. Beyond the Olympic Winter Games Milano Cortina 2026, we expect to continue expanding AI services for NOCs, organizing committee, and athletes. We will strengthen media and archive capability and explore new applications that supports the game. Alibaba's innovation and technical leaderships make them a highly valuable partner as we continue to shape the future of the Olympic digital transformation.